Now, let's break down different types of relations. So there is a kind of a classification. So one-to-one relation. For this type, each object in the domain has only one image. One object, one image. For example, each element from set A has only one image. So this picture shows this perfectly. Second type, one-to-many. So there exists at least one object which has more than one image. So we will have these divergent arrows, if you will. So here's the example. So element 2 has two images. So object 2 has two images, A and B. So we have these divergent arrows. So graphically, visually, you could look for two arrows coming from one point, so divergent. So that means your relation is one-to-many. Now, many-to-one, meaning that there exists more than one object is being mapped to the same image. So we will have convergent arrows. Here's an example. So for elements 1 and 2, they have one image A. So 1 and 2, they are objects, two different objects. They have one image. So 1 goes into A and 2 also goes into A. So this is many-to-one relation. Moving on, type number 4, many-to-many relation. So there exists more than one element X from set A is related to more than one element Y from B. So this is kind of a mixture, concoction, if you will. So divergent, convergent arrows, they all come together, kind of a mess, if you will. Look at the example. So we have two objects, two different objects have one image A. Also 2 and 3, two different objects have one image B. And what else? Element 2, look, one object has two different images. So as I said, it's a big mess.